Look at this one. Makey, get in, he's coming. What's he signaling for?
He's posing for you now to snap. He's posing for you, make the photo. Take a photo.
Oh, a video. Look. That's Nigeria.
Straight without shifting.
I know. So we just had an encounter with the security. Every time people see my hair, they think I'm a musician, and then all the price goes up.
And then we have to show them it's the wheelchair.
So I want to show wheelchair. Alright. They said there's nobody here.
Nobody.
We can see everybody here.
As a no tourist. That's what it means.
Okay. I won't go that way. Where they dry.
I did know the trust those place where they drive because if this is get dry,
They drive. This is just a motorbike, babe.
No. It's going to the water part. I'm saying it's going to the dry part.
Yeah, but you know, behind that wall is the dam.
I know.
Yes.
I know. We know that. We just not avoid that. Yeah.
We got to the dam, so a little cute little place here. Kingsley's cousin. A very pretty place. Something big in the bushes. Yeah. You want to keep it like that?
Check this out. So this is the Usman Dam, man-made, constructed to hold enough water to support rapidly growing Abuja. What an engineering feat. Check that out. Just sitting here, can't think that you're actually in Nigeria. The peace and just the tranquility, just amazing. So like many large dams worldwide, there's a potential for the Usman Dam to be used for hydraulic power generation. Right now it's only used for water supply. So this here supplies the entire water used in the whole of Abuja. Just incredible that all this is man-made. No, she told me to say something happened. But she doesn't know what she did. Say what happened. Area boys.
No, they're not the area boys. They're the security.
Okay.
I see them with black and black.
Yeah.
A lot of vigilante. So you can see the smiley face.
Wow. Some residential homes over there. And this is Pope, one and only.
Yeah.
So everybody, this is Zuma Rock, a prominent point here in the Niger State. Niger State is very close to the Nigerian capital of Abuja. Zuma Rock is a large monolith, so it's a single massive stone or rock, and this has been here for millions and millions of years. It's amazing. So what's the size of this? This is 725 meters. Okay, so let's get that into perspective. The Great Pyramid of Giza is 142 meters. So this is 725 meters. That's how insanely large this is. Incredible. And the locals have the reported natural phenomenon. Basically, when it's rainy season, lightning, thunder, this catches fire. Okay, it's not raining today, so we're not going to see any fire, but we have to take their words for it. It catches fire, and they have the locals believe it protects them by drawing lightning away from their homes. In the catch fire, come talk to me now. I know the bite. Wait till be your name.
Me.
Yeah. Huh? Awa. No, your name is Awa.
Awal.
Awal. Okay, they live around here. Where they live? This behind this, huh? Okay, they live on the other side. Ah. So people talk say this to the catch fire when in rain. Yeah? You don't see them before when catch fire. Which kind of fire? Now big fire or just not for the top?
No, small.
Now small fire. Which side is it catch fire? Now the very top, huh? Huh? Uh-huh. It catch fire. Oh wow. I never see them or I won't see them. The only one in rain that happen.
Eh?
Only one in rain. It didn't happen today. Not today. We don't miss them now. Which day if you come make I catch them? Make I see fire. You don't know. You get person where sabi? Yeah, when fire go there. No. Okay. So wow, thank you. You don't teach us something now. You'll be a very good teacher. So we've been told that this catches fire and we're reporting live from Niger State. We know somebody who has seen this catch fire. Tell us, so
Yeah.
we come from very far. We want to hear about this one here now, Zuma Rock, Abi. They're talking the catch fire sometime.
Yes.
In the catch fire.
When did they catch fire?
It's when they fall. Now smoke you they see, but now fire you they see.
Fire, real fire and smoke.
When in the rain.
Yes.
Wow. But you don't see them yourself, I person tell you.
Not the way they live.
You don't see them.
All the stories are life. I see them like
Wow. You see them with your own crocodile. So, when be the last time we see fire here now?
No, now last year, no catch fire this year. You know, say they not too for this year.
Rain not too for this year. Okay.
Now August rain they catch fire.
Yeah. So now for just states here they burn you.
Say
Now here, they born you for this state.
No,
Where you born you?
they bought me for that, for Kaduna side.
For Kaduna side?
Yes.
Ah, okay, okay. Well, thank you. You don't explain that very well for us.
Okay.
You don't explain that. But people around here talk, say, in they protect them from lightning. Say when lightning day, say this one they protect them. Not true?
Thunder.
Thunder.
Yeah, I don't know that one.
Ah, okay.
Fire.
The fire, where is Abi? Okay. Well, thank you very much. Good afternoon.
Thank you, mama.
Okay. All right. So we have a second person that confirmed
No, it's not. It's a natural.
that it actually
it happens.
catches fire when it rains.
You know, because it's exposed to the sun, and when there is heavy rain and
Yeah.
thunders, it strikes on it. So
Exactly.
it spark.
Yeah.
And there are vegetations up there,
Above.
so you could easily.
Yeah. So I wonder if there have been any climbers, okay, that have climbed to the very top. I wonder what the top would look like. I wonder if anyone has climbed to the top. Or is this a sacred rock?
I don't forget.
Yeah, this is amazing. So we want people to visit this place.
Yeah, tag themselves with
There's a special
Take a
feeling
picture.
just being here. Yeah, it's amazing. If we're here, if it rains this evening, we'll come back. We'll come back to see this fire.
But
It's
take it.
fine. It's just the road. Look, you keep on picking the low ground instead of the high ground. See?
You took something.
So yeah, we can actually walk into the rock.
Okay. So I'm gonna go look at this rock. It's just incredible. Kingsley thinks that he can touch the rock, but I keep on telling him there's people who actually have corns here. You know, it's their land. Can't be touching rocks. Here are taxi. No, you can't, babe. You see?
They play to Korea from all over the world. No jokes.
Look at this one. Mickey, get in, he's coming. What's he signaling for?
He's posing for you now to snap. He's posing for you to take the photo. Take a photo.
Oh, a video. Look. That's Nigeria.